Remember Naruto Shippuden episode 130? The title of this episode is The Man Who Became God. Akatsuki's figurehead leader Pain uses the summoning jutsu to call forth various animals, including a giant crustacean crab. This crab is a formidable summon with the ability to emit a powerful stream of bubbles which can dissolve anything in its path, making it a tough opponent in battle. This episode is part of the Tale of Jiraiya the Gallant arc, which delves into the backstory of Jiraiya and his encounters with Pain. With that being said, do you know that the giant crustacean crab summoned by Pain in Naruto Shippuden episode 130 resembles a real-life marine giant? While Pain's summon is a fictional creature, it shares similarity with the Japanese spider crab with a scientific name of Macrochiera campferi. Known for its enormous size, the Japanese spider crab can have a leg span of up to 12 feet, making it the largest arthropod in the world. These crabs are found in the deep waters around Japan and are famous for their long, spindly legs. Now, Payne's crab may be a product of this fiction, but nature has its own impressive giants. Now guys, which other anime shows feature crabs? Comment your suggestions below. We look forward for creating more educational animal videos with exciting anime crossovers. Shout out to all our anime fans out there. Thanks for watching.